What I did was I pressed back on it far enough that I could get a small shim, and I used a very, very teeny tiny screwdriver that I have to get underneath the bar right here. So I shimmed this back and could get it underneath it. Then I could use the screwdriver to pry up on it a little bit to apply that upward pressure to get it up and over those clips. Then it popped free. Now, the pins themselves come all the way through and actually meet here in the middle. So what you can do is you can take that same pair of needle nose pliers, get a hold of the pins and start kind of pushing them and backing them back this direction until you see where they start to flare and come out. Once this little flare is out, you can just pull the pins straight out. And then this is loose. So we're going to take this off and we're going to transfer components to the new armrest. So now that the pins are loose and your lid is loose, the arms on the springs here, forgive any shadows, you can see are completely loose. So you can just walk this spring right off, just like that. Okay, I always try to keep the same orientation, so when I put it on the new one, it's not a challenge to put it on, which is right here in the shadows right now. So like I said, forgive the lighting a little bit. It's a little bit dark here in the back, but you've got the spring off now, so you can just take the existing one and set it aside. Here's the new one. It's got the same setup, so you're just going to take it and set it here and walk the arms into the same position, just like that. So as you can see, it's now right back in the exact same place. So you'll take this and just walk it right back in, just like that. You'll put the pins in on both sides, and then you're gonna press the spring down. Now keep in mind, again, when the armrest is down, this is the maximum pressure on the spring, so it's gonna be as hard as it's going to be. So lift the armrest, use your pair of pliers to press this down, or your needle nose pliers to press this loop down all the way back and around those little hooks, get it set into place, and you're all done. All right, just like that. It's even easier to put back in. So make sure you have those pins in and flush. Those little flared heads are flush with the hinge points. Make sure that this loop is locked back on both those little plastic tabs really well, and make sure that your new armrest goes up and down smoothly.